Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez from Masagari Channel of Faith Healer, also Mata Reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is special gabay for the month of February 22 hanggang February 28 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na may pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapang nabibiyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Libra. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, ito na. Ito ngayon at bubulabugin natin ng angel spirit. Please give me an information po. There's a judgment. This is a wake-up call for you. No? There's something you need to pay attention. Para pinapaalalahanan ka na kailangan mong mag-ingat or kailangan mong magising sa katotohanan. No? Na may mga bagay na kailangan mong kumilos at gumalaw. No? And this is something that Three of Pentacles. No? Just focus. No? Sa trabaho, negosyo, and even for something collaboration and socialize, kailangan mo mag-pay attention. No, sa pakikipag-ugnayan, sa pakikipag-usap, mag-ingat ka. No, mayroon ako nasa-sense dito na maaaring mabudol or maaaring may scam ka. And there's something, the Queen of Swords. Now, this is something I look at the bigger picture. Unti-unti mo na makikita yung possibilities. Malayo pa lang makikita mo na yung magiging posibleng kalalabasan ng eksena na to. So, let's see. What is additional messages? And there's something at Ten of Pentacles. So, this is something for long term. Now, magkakaroon ka ng financial security dito, guys. Magkakaroon ka ng long-term investment. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? For the Five of Cups, in reverse is something no more doubt, no more rejection. There's something acceptance. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matatanggap. Now, what is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's something, the Justice card. No, hustisya. Na maaaring pumabor na sa'yo, na maaaring, kumbaga, magdala sa'yo ng magandang kapalaran. There's something ang good karma. And there's something, a principle of karma dito, no? Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. Sinasabi na what goes around, comes around. So may mga bagay na kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, maaaring bumalik sa'yo. What is the judgment? Represent what? This is something, the Ace of Wands for a new project, new plans, new opportunities, new business ventures, no? Kaya kailangan, guys, na mag-pay attention ka kasi lahat ng mga offer ay nasa paligid mo na. Kailangan mo na lang kumilos at gumalaw, no? Iwas tatamad-tamad, no? What is the Three of Pentacles? Represent with the Queen of Swords. So this is something confident. Kailangan lakasan mo ang loob mo, tapangan mo, no? Sa pakikipag-usap. Parang ano dito meron ditong nasa-sense ko na online selling, na kumbaga kailangan magaling ka makipag-usap. No, ayusin mo yung pakikipag-usap, iwasan mo yung kumbaga magagalit ka kagad, no? Yung maging kalmado ka. What is the Queen of Swords? So this is the Eight of Pentacles. Just focus, no? Pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, lagi mong pakakatandaan, tingnan mo laging possibilities, no? Yung kalalabasan ng eksena mo. What is the Ten of Pentacles? Represent what? So there's something, the Ace of Swords with a breakthrough, na maaaring may mga bagay na magtagumpay ka na. No, what is the Five of Cups in reverse? Represent with a High Priestess, so something on the hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matatanggap na biglaan. No, hindi mo akalain itong opportunities na to ay maaaring mo makamit. What is the Justice card? Represent with a Seven of Swords. Now there's something at trivia na para pinapakita with a reverse. So the kapag upright to with the Seven of Swords is something cheating, lying, but this is something, the Seven of Swords in reverse. So para pinapakita dito na malalaman mo kung ano man yung kasinungalingan or maaaring malaman mo yung sikreto na itinatago sa'yo, no? Maaaring bago pa sila magsinungaling, malalaman mo na yung katotohanan. Ganun siya with the Justice card. What is a judgment? Because the Ace of Wands. Reference with a high friend for a lesson learned. No? May mga bagay na kailangang matutunan. No? Parang pinapaalalahanan ka dito na baguhin mo na yung galawan. Baguhin mo na yung ginagawa mo. No? Matuto ka na sa nangyari sa'yo. There's a something cycle or repeated cycle. Kaya nauulit yung situation kasi hindi ka pa natututo. No, kailangan mong magising sa katotohanan na yung ginagawa mo ay hindi yan makakabuti sa'yo. What is the Three of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords? Reference with the Page of Pentacles, investment. No, invest wisely. So, matuto ka about dito sa investment na to. Kung ano yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. No, what is the Queen of Swords? Because the Eight of Pentacles. Reference with the Three of Wands. So, this is something you're waiting for, so waiting for a ship. Na may mga bagay na hinihintay ka na mga posibleng dumating na. Malayo pa lang unti-unti na magkakaroon ng recoveries, no? Requires accomplishment. And there's something at focus, no? Dahil meron ka ditong business venture na maaaring magkaroon ng trouble, guys. What is that? Ten of Pentacles because the Ace of Swords. Reference with the Knight of Wands for slowly but surely. Kapag sinasabi dito, maging mahinahon ka. No? Huwag kang maging padalos-dalos sa gagawin mo. Kailangan unti-untiin mo. Unti-unting magliliwanag sa'yo na magdadala sa'yo ng pangmatagalang sitwasyon or pangmatagalang financial windfall. What is the Five of Cups in reverse when it's the High Priestess? Clarification with the King of Cups. Now, there's something devoted, supportive person na may tao dito na parang laging tumutulong sa'yo. No? Laging nagbibigay suporta sa'yo. No? What is the Justice card? Because the Seven of Swords in reverse. So, reference with a Death card. So, this is something that ending in your beginning. Matatapos na yung kasinungalingan, kahibangan, no? Kalokohan ng mga taong nasa paligid mo na sumisira ng reputasyon mo. Ay, may ganun. Let's see what is additional messages for the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome dito is the Lovers. It's all about love life. Now, there's something, the Law Empress card. Na maaaring yung person mo ay may babae or may person mo ay may lalaki. And there's a Nine of Pentacles with security. Maging secure ka pagdating sa relasyon. No? Dahil, kumbaga pinapaalalahanan ka dito na mayroon ditong nakatago na maaaring malantad sa'yo. Na yung person mo ay may kalokohang ginagawa. No? And there's something that's our moment na makakasira ng iyong relasyon, pagsasama, at pamilya. So, kailangan mag-ingat ka sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. There's something na second time around na maaaring maulit-ulit. What is additional messages for finances and career? For finances and career, there's a Four of Wands by celebration. And there's a Page of Wands with a good news. May magandang balita dito pagdating sa finances mo na magdadala ng promotion. And of course, magdadala ng something accomplishment or kumbaga, fulfillment. And there's a Two of Wands by choices. Piliin mo lang yung mga bagay na gagawin mo. There's something multitasking, no? Kumbaga, napakadami mong gustong gawin, but hindi mo siya na i-manage ng maayos. No? Gusto mo i-grab ng i-grab, but kumbaga may mga bagay na nabibitawan mo at hindi mo na napapansin na napapabayaan mo. What is additional messages? Na pagdating naman tayo sa love life. So, there's a Chariot card in the Eight of Cups, no? Some of you guys, meron ditong hindi maka-move on with a partnership. Na meron ditong hindi maka-move on, na talagang gumagawa siya ng action para paghiwalayin kayo with the Five of Wands, competitors, competition, no? Nakikipag-competition siya sa'yo. Kailangan nyo makaalis dyan sa lugar na kung asan kayo. Dahil nasa paligid nyo lang ang mismong sasapaw sa iyong relasyon. What is additional? It's either co-workers ng asawa mo, kapitbahay nyo, or either nasa lang to, nasa paligid nyo lang. Additional messages about sa health. There's the Fool card for a leap of faith, no? Kailangan malakasan pananampalataya mo. Dito, there's a Nine of Pentacles. Malaking factor ang love life and finances mo and health mo. Na maaring nagkakaroon ka ng depression and stress dito dahil din sa finances. And of course, about sa love life, no? Additional messages with a magical fairy messages. Represent what? For magical fairy messages, represent with a be yourself. No, kailangan maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. Iwasan mo na magpanggap na okay ka lang, na tama lang, no? And there's something, do some research na kailangan mong tuklasin, kilalanin at alamin. Na may mga bagay na bigla mong malalaman, pero ignore or didedmahin mo lang. So, kailangan mag-pay attention ka na. Binibigyan ka na ng senyales. Kailangan mong makinig. What is the yin and yang oracle card? Represent what? Represent with the yin and yang. Represent with a message and dream. No, may mga pangarap ka dito na maaaring matupad, and there's a nurture, no? Para sinasabi dito, kailangan alagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. And there's a truth, no? Parang ibabahagi ang katotohanan sa'yo dito. And there's a something divine intervention. Paalala sa'yo ng ating divine na having faith. And there's a something, an information na maaaring mayroong bagay na masisira sa isang sitwasyon na kailangan mong laksan ng pananampalataya at tiwala mo. Mayroon ako na sense dito na ginagayuma rin yung person mo. Let's see what is the synchronicities. Represent what? Kaya pa bago-bago yung emotion ng person mo eh. No, madalas nagtatalo kayo, madalas nag-aaway kayo. And of course, nagba-back and forth talaga. Minsan gusto niyang puntahan yung person na yon. No, pabago-bago kayo ng ano dito. Let's see, and there's a success for synchronicities. Mahari magtagumpay ka na rin dito, guys. And there is something attractions, no? You are also attracted to anyone. Gustuhin ka sa madaling salita. And there's a winter. Now, there's something blossoming. Maaring lumago ang yung finances o maging maganda ng kalusugan mo or yung eksena mo. And there's the artist. Mag-ingat ka. Meron ditong dramatically actress. No? Magaling siyang magdrama. Magaling siyang magpaikot ng tao. What is the romance angels for a mystic love oracle then? And there's a peace. Magkakaroon ka daw ng kapayapaan dito. And this is something, a strong love affections. Now, there's a love involvement. Talagang mahal nyo ang isa't isa ng person mo. Diba? Magkakaroon kayo ng kalayaan at kapayapaan dito. Kaya tumindig ka, lumayo ka, magpakatantan ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Huwag ka magtitiwala. What is the chakra messages? And there's something, a wisdom, enlightenment. Nabibigyan liwanag sa'yo. There's a grip. Now, there's something losses. It's another opportunity to appreciate things, no? May mga bagay na aalisin sa'yo ay isa sa bahagi ng ating mga gabay para liwanagin yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga. And there's something completion. Huwag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. Kasi ang gumagawa sa'yo, ang gusto nito mangyari kung hindi ka mapupunta sa kanya, hindi ka mapapakinabangan ni numan. Ganon. What is Archangel Michael messages? And you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka. Diba? And there's something lean on God and angels support. Doon nandito ang ating Panginoon, sinusupport at ginagabayan ka. And there's an all romance angels, no? Meron talagang romance angels dito na ginagabayan kayo ng ating angel spirit about sa love life. Alam mo guys, no, may gayuma at may kulam ako na nakikita dito. Binibigyan ng sakit ka o binibigyan ng sakit yung person mo. What is the additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a love. Diba? Meron talagang may obsession dito ako nakikita. And there's something forgiveness, support with ancestor guides. Na ginagabayan ka ng yung mahal mo sa buhay na yumao. And there's a shielding. See? Grounding and shielding. No? Kailangan proteksyonan at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. For angel spirit messages. Loneliness. No, hindi ka raw nag-iisa dito. Ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. And there's an imagination. No, mas palawakin mo ang iyong imahinasyon. No? Na mas makikita mo lahat ng mga posibleng mangyari at makita mo. Yung mga magagandang eksena, magdadala ng creative sa'yo. No? Makakabuo ka ng panibagong plano. No? And there's something, leave that stressful situation behind. So, pakawalan mo yung nagbibigay stress sa'yo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there is something, trust the timing. No? Kailangan mo magtiwala in the perfect timing. And this is something called with a soul gift, no? There's something, it's time to step up. No? Kailangan mo nang gumising sa katotohanan. Kailangan mo na makawala sa kasinungalingan. What is the Monsology represent what? Communication is the key. So, kailangan mo na makipag-communicate na maayos. And there's a luck is in your side, no? Ang swerte maaaring pumabor sa'yo. What is additional messages within the angel spirit? And there is something door to the personal healing and happiness. Nabukas ang pintuan para sa kagalingan, kaligayahan. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a talk to your angels, no? Kinakausapin mo ang iyong mga gabay na tulungan ka na makawala sa bangungot nitong eksena. What is the romance angels that represent what? And there's something codependency. See, I told you, addictions are affecting to your romantic life. So see, meron talagang obsession na nakaka-apekto sa iyong relasyon. Let's see what is the angel's answer. And there's a promise. Now, may mga pinangako at may mga bagay na pinagkasundaan. Baka yung person mo pinangakuan na tong tao na to. Or ikaw nangako ka sa tao na to. And there's an it's up to you. Nasa sayo na yan. What is the Jesus loving code said? What is the Jesus loving code said? Jesus loving code said, judge not that you will not judge. Now, wag mo isgayin isang bagay hanggat hindi mo pa nakikita. So, ibig sabihin dito, hayaan mong ipakita at ibahagi sa iyo yung mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. So, let's see what is this angel's number? Represent what? What is the angel's number? Represent what? 1111 for a wish coming true. So, ibig sabihin matutupad talaga lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Lahat ng mga dinadasal mo, maaaring may isa katuparan mo na. And of course, sinasabi dito, you're on the lucky break. It may come as a happy news. Experience the new opportunities or an exciting acquaintance, you will find yourself in the right place at the right time. It is not coincidence, but a gift from the fate. Now, dahil sa pananampalataya at paniniwala mo, eto na, tutuparin na yung mga matagal mo ng hinihiling at minimithi. No? Ang mga panalangin, maaaring mong mata mo na. And there's a discovering with the messages of life. Today, I release my old beliefs, conviction, and preconceived notions. In their place, I seek new ideas, innovation, and endless possibilities, and I am adaptable. I am able to see beyond my previous limitation and discover greater worlds inside me. Unti-unti mo na matutuklasan sa sarili mo lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong malaman at maunawaan dahil unti-unting ipapakita at ibabahagi na sa'yo yung mga sikreto at matagal mo ng tanong sa sarili mo. No, may mga bagay kang kailangan tuklasin mismo sa sarili mo kung ano yung nangyayari behind the scenes. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of February 22 hanggang February 28 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip na ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-lig-lig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!